Today I will be showing you how to make my yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy. Right, okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're here with your girl Sasha from Sasha's Kitchen. Thank you for joining me for another video. Today I will be showing you how to make my yummy saltfish fritters. For this recipe what you'll need is 225 grams of saltfish. This comes in a packet and you literally have to soak it for about 3 to 4 hours or overnight if you prefer to take more of the salt out. You'll need 200 grams of plain flour, 200 grams of some raisin flour, 1 onion, 1 red pepper, and for seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, turmeric, garlic, thyme, chilies, and parsley. So let's get kicking. So let's get cooking. First of all, what I'm going to do is chop up my saltfish. Some people flake their saltfish, but I like to chop mine because I like to have quite big bits of chunks of saltfish in mine. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this saltfish here and just chop it into chunks. And while I'm doing this, I've got my oil preheating on a medium heat. So I like bits of saltfish like this, so I'll just chop this all up and put this into my bowl here, which all the mixture will go into. Okay, I've now cut all my saltfish. So now I've cut the saltfish, so that's all cut into chunks in this bowl. And the next step is now to finely chop the onion and the peppers. So I'm just going to do that. And I like them to be done really, really finely. So I'm just going to do that now. Okay, so we have now chopped our saltfish, the onions and peppers, and like I said before, I like my onions and peppers very finely diced, so that's all in a bowl here. So the next thing that I'm going to do is add 350 millilitres of lukewarm water to this mix. There we go. And then I'm going to slowly add the flour and begin to stir. So I don't add the flour all in once, because then it will begin to get quite lumpy. Okay, so this is the consistency that I like my batter. What I've done is I've added a little bit extra water, so what I'll have to do is put in the descriptions of the exact measurements. So instead of using 350 millilitres of water, I actually used 400 millilitres. So the next part of this process now is to get seasoning. And because the saltfish is quite salty, you don't need a lot of seasoning, it's just to give the batter a bit of taste. So what I'm going to do is simply add a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, just literally about half a teaspoon of turmeric, and that just gives it a nice golden colour. Chilies, you can go in with as much chilies as you like depending on how spicy we like it. We like a little bit of spice to our saltfish fritters, so I'm going in with probably about another teaspoon, and then literally half a teaspoon of garlic. I love garlic. I put a lot of garlic in a lot of my recipes. Thyme. And this stuff I'm not too precious about. You just put in whatever you feel to put in, usually around a half a teaspoon to a teaspoon. And parsley. This doesn't really add much flavour, the parsley, it just makes it look really nice. Okay, so now I've added all of these, we're just stirring this all together. Have a look. That looks lovely. Okay, so my batter is now ready to go. In here I have the saltfish, the onions, peppers and all these spices, along with 400 millilitres of water, 200 grams of plain flour and 200 grams of self-raising flour. So now my batter is ready to fry. Traditionally, saltfish fritters would be done flat and round, but I like them in balls. So what I'm going to do is you get some batter on your spoon, just like this. You need 2 spoons, the batter on the spoon, and then just use the back end of the other spoon to just drop them in. And as you can hear, they just start to fry. And you're just cooking them for literally 3 to 4 minutes. The oil is at about 150 to 180 degrees, and you'll fry these until golden brown. Okay, here's the finished product of my yummy saltfish fritters. And as you can see, here they are, lovely balls. They're lovely and crispy on the outside and soft on the inside, just the way that I like them. Who wants one? Anyone want to try one?
Comment down below if you want one.
Okay guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. And if you have Facebook and Instagram, please like my pages, Sasha's Kitchen. I will also remember to put the description of the ingredients and method down below so you can follow this recipe at your pleasure. Hope to see you soon. Take care guys. Bye.